Welcome to the frontier of home entertainment. Introducing the Vava Chroma, the world's most advanced 4K triple laser projector. The Vava Chroma uses cutting-edge triple laser technology and ALPD 4.0 to deliver striking visuals with precise color accuracy and 106% Rec 2020 color gamut. Place the projector just 7.2 inches away from the wall. No obstructions, messy wires, and nothing between you and the big screen. Unlike conventional projectors, the Vava Chroma supports HDR10, allowing for deeper colors, higher contrast, and sharper imagery. Enjoy epic visuals in your living space on a dazzling display of up to 150 inches. With 2500 ANSI lumens brightness, witness impeccable detail, even in well-lit rooms. Immerse yourself in the crystal clarity of 4K UHD resolution. With its 25,000 hour lamp life, the Vava Chroma gives you years and years of non-stop entertainment. The laser light of the Vava Chroma projector is reflected off another surface, significantly reducing eye strain in comparison to direct light from a TV. To match the incredible display, the Vava Chroma brings cinema-level surround sound experience through a built-in Harman Kardon soundbar and Dolby-powered audio. That's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The built-in voice control makes your experience even more seamless.
Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Just ask Alexa to search for shows, change the channel, control your smart home devices, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. Build your private theater with the Vava Chroma 4K triple laser projector and prepare for a home entertainment experience like no other.
Introducing the JMGO 01 Pro FHD Ultra Short Throw Projector. It lets you get closer for a bigger view. Close, closer, more closer. You'll get an incredible large screen of up to 100 inches. JMGO 01 Pro is co-engineered with Leica, co-created with Dyne Audio for superior sound, and is built around an industry-leading processing chip. JMGO 01 Pro achieves its crystal clear image by collaborating with Leica in the development and optimization of the optical engine design. Leica's engineers refined the lens design to perform better by increasing light transmittance, reducing stray light and improving the projection brightness to 1250 ANSI. Leica's professional auto image correction and image distortion control further reduce the telecentricity during imaging by 25%. In image processing, Leica greatly improves the viewing experience, including immersive and vibrant colors, noise reduction, sharpness, and dynamic contrast. The Zero Perception Intelligent System offers auto keystone correction that accurately corrects the unevenness of the projection. 01 Pro intelligently detects the wall color temperature, retaining the original colors of your movie. With simple gestures, you can easily control the volume or speed. Not impressed yet? 01 Pro's AI back camera auto-adjusts the brightness, enables the best image projection even under strong light. 01 Pro is more than just a projector.
Fires glow, sparks flying through my heart, and
It's always ready to uplift the ambiance in your place.
Top-down destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I'll wait for you.
You can also make 01 Pro your personal assistant. Set me a meeting reminder for tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
California.
Introducing the world's most powerful 4K projector. 150-inch picture. ALPD 3.0 is the same technology used in top movie theaters around the world. 4K resolution with HDR10. Enjoy mind-blowing sound quality with a built-in soundbar from Harman Kardon. Vava uses laser technology which lasts 25,000 hours than regular projector bulbs. Vava extends the limits of imagination. It's time to bring the theater home.